Hey guys, I have this Shark Pet cordless stick vacuum here, and I've had this over a year now, so I want to give you guys a quick and honest review of how I've been liking it. So I've been really impressed with this vacuum, just how much dirt this picks up and how easy it is to use. So all it is just a slide button on the top to turn it on and off, and you slide it once for hardwood and twice for carpet. So I love that I can go in between carpet and hardwood without even having to stop my vacuum, which is awesome. It's super powerful, picks up a ton of dirt. I'm always surprised how much it picks up. It has a nice handle there for easy maneuvering, and then you just use this plug it comes with to plug it into the wall and plug it into the top there. Doesn't take very long to charge and lasts over 40 minutes of runtime, so I can do my entire 3,000 square foot house in one charge. It also has a XL desk cup here, holds a lot of dirt in it. I can go in my entire house without emptying it, which is awesome. And then it just has these little buttons here you can disconnect to use the tools it comes with and to easily clean it. It also has a little clip there you can hang it on the wall with. And then it has nice rubber wheels that don't scratch my floor, which I love. And I just love how this is so easy to use. So you can disconnect it with that button and put in the tool it comes with. It's like for couches and upholstery and pet hair, which works really well. And then it also comes with a crevice tool. I use this in my couches or on my baseboards, hard to reach places. You can also disconnect the entire stick too and make it super long and use those same tools again if you're reaching like a fan or something. This is super useful. And then you just push that button and disconnect it and put it back on. So super easy to use. It also has this other feature where it has this like turbo button. So you can kind of use your finger there and use short bursts of more energy if you need it. You can also disconnect the charger from the vacuum by squeezing those two buttons on the side there, so you can charge it without having to charge the entire vacuum, which is awesome. To empty it, you just push that button to disconnect the top part and then push and slide this button here. It does dump out the bottom, so you do want to make sure you're over a trash can. It picked up so much dirt. This vacuum works so well, and then you just push to connect it and you're ready to go again. You do want to clean out this vacuum regularly. I just use a butter knife to unlock this thing at the bottom, and then you can clean out that hole there if you pick up too many big pieces. And it's really easy and convenient to clean. The brush roller also works really well. I haven't noticed a lot of hair getting stuck on it. This vacuum just is such high quality, works so well. And I use it almost every day, and it's so convenient and easy to use and lasts a long time on a charge. So I would highly recommend this Pet cordless stick vacuum. It has been amazing for us.